Did you know the Australian king-parrot is one of the most strikingly colorful birds down under? Males are easily recognized by their bright red heads and chests, contrasting beautifully with their emerald green wings and back. Females are mostly green with touches of red, making them slightly more camouflaged. These parrots are often spotted in the forests and gardens along Australia's east coast. They mainly feed on seeds, fruits, and berries, and are known for their calm, gentle nature. Sometimes they'll even eat straight from your hand.